Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. As people join, would appreciate a drop and a like on the live. Quiet in here this morning, huh? Everyone's a little tired. It's all right. Big pump up this morning, guys. Big pump. Market's up 1.6% just from the news. Good morning. I am doing good this morning. A little tired today, but doing good. How are you doing? You're doing good? Just sleepy? Yeah. Morning, Curtis. Morning, everybody. As everyone's joining, would appreciate a like. Get the morning started good. Big pump up this morning, everybody. If you missed CPI, I need to... Yeah, everyone's a little sleepy. I was gonna make a video over how to pass accounts easily. I forgot to, but if you guys ever have CPI big news event like this again, if you before the news put like a buy stop, like a buy market above price, so this would have been 50 points above price, and you put one 50 points below price, then whatever direction it goes would fill you. You'd probably get some slippage, and then it you'd set an automatic take profit attached to it, right? So if you get filled here, boom, you pass your account there in a second. Just for future reference there, right? Unless there's like a fat wick that goes boom and then dumps, which does happen on occasion, but not super often with CPI. A lot of times you just get boom straight up, right? Yep, passing eval works, and this is perfect for it for sure. I agree, TJ. No need to even take a month trying to pass evals these days, really. It's like if you have 5 accounts, you put a buy stop for 5 up here, a sell stop for 5 down here, and that would have worked out good this morning. So obviously, unless it has a big wick, but which can happen, but if you want to be safer about it, you could just put 2 or 3 accounts up here, 2 or 3 accounts down here, The Tesla just disgusts me how good it is. I am just streaming the Autotrader, yes. Awesome, TJ. Awesome. All right, so we got the market opening here in about 8 minutes. Remember, CPI day, I generally don't like to trade accounts I care about. Again, you can do whatever you'd like. I notice a lot of days that I say I don't like trading, bot does pretty well. So, yeah. Morning, Ron. Morning, morning. Jeez, these Nvidia, Tesla, things like that, they're just nuts the past few months. Holy smokes. I gotta be putting some money into this, for sure. When Lifetime Sports will be open? For what, Ron? For SBS? Lifetime spots are always open, man. Are you interested in getting lifetime? If so, I can send you a little discount or something. I will. What's your Discord username, Ron? I'll just send you the link, so it's less confusing. You have monthly. Well, if you're interested in, if anyone's interested in lifetime, that link is the lifetime link, okay? And if anyone right now, you know what, I'll make a code quick. Same code as the other day, okay? So you want code money, okay? Morning, JP. Code money, that gives you 500 off. I think there's a couple available. If you guys want. Don't have to. I'm just offering. So lifetime link, $500 off code for the lifetime. Okay. So it comes down to $24.40. Okay. You see that, Ron? That link? Or would you still like me to private message you? Kanban, gotcha. Got it, Ron. Yeah, so that code gives you 500 off. I think there's a couple available if anyone did want to upgrade or something. So, of course, fully up to you. Just threw it out there. What are we thinking, guys? Are we thinking the market's going to continue up today? I think we're probably going to retrace personally down probably towards like this. I think we're going to probably go towards this general area. That's my prediction. We'll put it as gold. That's my golden prediction. Okay. I think we're gonna do something probably like this. Pretty deep dive on the open, chop around, and then there. That's my prediction. Thing about between lifetime and 6 months. I would personally just go with the lifetime. Obviously, I mean, that's just an unbiased opinion, of course, but the 6 months is 1,050, and the lifetime would be 2,450. So obviously it's an extra 1,500, but it's like if you paid for the 6 months twice, you could have just owned it outright, you know? And to be honest, we have 0 people that are on the 6 month plan. Everyone's on monthly or lifetime. So people do not like the 6 month plan, but I put it out there if anyone did want it. Obviously that's your choice. So market is open now, guys. Okay, market's open. Move this to the side a little. Morning, Ronnie B. You're on monthly now, playing a Switch Lifetime. What's your payout of it? Of course. That's a lot of people's plans. I think that's a great plan. Don't rush it, you know? Ron, completely up to you, my man. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, right? So, yeah. That is a lot of people's plans, though, is to make some money from the bot first and then use that payout to get lifetime, for sure. Well, my prediction so far is not going good. We're just kind of pumping, which is, again, that's perfectly fine with me, right? We are eligible for trades now. Got pretty close to this 48 range, short around 21,290. Let's get some more likes on live, guys. Get the morning going good. What was I gonna say? What should our poll be for the day? I like doing a poll each day. We got a lot of good comments and a lot of good answers yesterday from the poll, which I loved. Thinking, what do we think? Anyone have any ideas for a poll? Yeah, we can do that. All right, there's the poll. Less than 1 year, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5+. I'm in the 3 to 5 category personally. Pretty even so far with the 8 votes. Five years or more is leading the way. Oh my god, I didn't even realize. 32 range is in a short and we already got partial win. Didn't realize. And full win. Okay, we're up $400. I completely missed it because you guys distracted me. So full win. Beautiful stuff. Honestly, just posted in the testimonials that trade. This is what I'm talking about though, is on days like today when you have CPI news. Good morning. when there's news and stuff where it's a busy day, you know it's going to be a volatile day, and you get an early win like this. So 5 minutes in, we got that win. So if you were on 500 risk, you would have made about, you know, $700 or so. Maybe 750, right? And that's great. So that could be a one and done. If you really want it to be that way. If you really want it to be that way, but so the poll, if you're just joining, vote on the poll and drop a like on the live stream. Okay, we'll get the day going. Testing an updated SBS yesterday and today that we are working on. As you can see, there's other lines. There's turquoise and purple, right? Those would be potential different entry models based around the same strategy, but different entry models. We are lacking today, guys. We are lacking, okay? I'm just gonna be straight honest with everybody. Okay, now we're getting our move down. I mean, everything's green today, that's for sure. Well, actually, yeah, everything's green. So I did predict a little bit of a move down before a move up, because usually that's how the market works, right? Oh, I'm missing trades. Okay, sorry. 15-second and 48 range are in a short trade. I'm not using the current setup that I posted yesterday. I just haven't had the time to set it up, to be quite honest with you. But I will be doing that. So if you're running that, good on you. Your DGen trade put you very green this morning. Did you long on the CPI news, Scott? So again, I mentioned one and done potential for the 32 range. Looks like other people got that trade as well. Tom, first trade of the day, 32 range. Yeah, same trade. Same exit. Yeah. And he got 5 grand total. That's nice. Good stuff, Tom. I don't know if you're in here. But yeah, on days like today, I always try and end early just because of the general how the market is, right? So took a loss there. Still green on 32R. These two are down 1 trade. Oh. Okay, guys, 40 people in here, 18 likes. I liked my own live stream, so we're 17. Good job, Tom. Did you turn it off after that? You what's your daily goal, Tom? That's a good win there, $1,000. Nice V-shape reversal though. That looks pretty clean for yeah, a V-shape. So could be looking down now for our move to the upside. V-shape. We moved down to looks like the 30. The 0.382 on the fib from the CPI news this morning. So from 8:30, that fib. Perfect bounce off the 382. And the V-shape reversal. You know, straight down, straight up. So we might chop for a minute. But most likely, new highs look decent, right? M2K on the 32 range, gotcha. Thoughtful that your NQ took 32 range trade. Are you on NQ? Because I'm on MNQ. So what instrument are you on? Two years in the trading world, nice, Ronnie. Oh yeah, currently, yeah, 41% of the group that's voted 5+ years. On NQ, yeah, so Tom's on MNQ. Yeah, so NQ and MNQ will have slightly varying trades. Not all the time, sometimes they match perfectly, but if you actually dive into a chart, the prices of MNQ and NQ will be slightly off. Like the highs and the lows will be slightly different by just a few ticks or a point. And that can make the difference in the trade. Because obviously the trades are based off of swing points. So here's us marching back up. I think the highs look pretty decent. Especially just from that 382 bounce. We're in a 1 minute short. I think longs look better personally. So if you think longs look better, you can always turn off short something. But I like to just let the bot do its thing. So there's 300s. All right, we'll end this poll. So there is the results. 3 to 5 years is the lowest category. Interesting. Okay. Any more polls you think we should do? I'm thinking... I'm gonna do this poll just because I'm curious. Okay, so it's gonna be see success or get out. Yeah, true. True. Okay. Okay, I can only put 4 options, okay? What do you do for work? Business, job, healthcare, retired, education. I can only put 4 options, okay? So. True, Scott. True. There is the pump that I was kind of expecting towards the highs, right off that 382 level. Yeah, we're going now. Honestly, got a little bit of room, even to like 400, to be quite honest with you. So the shorts lost, which I kind of expected there, but that's okay. Again, if you ever see something, right? If you ever see something and you don't like, let's say you don't like shorts, you can always turn shorts off just by clicking the arm shorts button. So it's grayed out now. Okay. Make custom made kitchens. Wants to make people happy. Awesome, Ronnie. I was gonna put like construction stuff on there. I would classify that, you know, in that kind of category. Home decor, construction, builder, you know. It's awesome. That's interesting. Yeah, if you can vote on there, vote. I know we got 40 people in here. I know not everyone's gonna have that option, their actual job on there, because I can only put 4 options, but I'm just curious. So far, 12 votes, 58% business job, 8% healthcare, and 33% retired. Awesome. Custom made kitchens. That's cool. I love a good kitchen, you know. Yeah, I would agree, Curtis. 100%. I was just thinking, you know, off the top of my head, the first few things that popped in my mind, so. You're retired and you're 26, Ron? Seriously? So you gotta have some money then, huh, Ron? That's what I'm talking about. Hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Ron is a Bitcoin bro. Oh, seriously? Oh my god. What'd you do, Ron? You put like 100K in Bitcoin in 2020, and then now you're worth like 3 million? Or are we talking bigger numbers than that? Don't even know. It's funny. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin 2020. Yeah, so Ron probably bought, you know, 10 Bitcoin. Maybe not. He probably bought, you know, on the COVID dump. You know, probably bought around here. Price was at like 6,000. He probably put like $250,000 into it. So he's probably, yeah. A little bit less. I used the money to open a company, and I didn't notice. Now I have 500 employees and I have a manager, so I don't need to do anything. That's the life, Ron. Have a company, you don't really need to do anything. You're making $1 million a year. You can hire me if you want. Jeez. Jeez. Yeah, well, back in 2020, I was 17 when COVID happened. So, yeah, I had no money. 17, yeah. If COVID happened now instead of 4 years ago, then I would say I could probably end up doing well. Look up A1 garage door. I don't wanna. I looked it up. What are we looking at? This? End that poll. Oh, that's you, huh? You look a little older than 26 in that little photo there. Kind of got some skinny arms too, but that's where you live? Okay, Arizona. Jeez, I didn't know you got that money like that, Ron. I gotcha. Didn't know you got that money like that. Well, we did end up taking out those highs, as we kind of predicted around here. Now I'm not really sure where we're gonna go, but to be honest, generally on big news pumps, we tend to dip lower. It's like if we pump, generally my bias would be a little lower on the day. Once you have dispatches and managers of the area that walks in. True. True. Cool, Ron. Cool. Bouncing off this midline of the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Band tightening up a little. Finding technicians, yeah. So one and done looks like it might have been the... Wait, did we just... We missed the short here by a tick. Oh, there we go. Just got filled there. I was gonna say it looks like we tapped it, but we didn't tap it there. In a 32 range short. I think, I don't know what I think, to be quite honest. I don't know. Oh, that's funny. We tapped this fair value gap from a while ago right here. It was only a 1 tick gap and we rejected from it. Yeah, not sure how this trade will play out. Obviously we're pretty bullish and it keeps shorting. Again, you can always turn the shorts off. Even if we just take this low, I mean, that's a win. Doesn't seem that far away. Stops above the highs at 46.50. So yeah, look, the highs on here are 46.50 on MNQ, and on NQ regular right here, the highs 45. So that's a decent difference, right? Again, you could always turn shorts off, right? I keep saying that, just trying to get that point across. If you see like this, where we bounced off of this 382 level that was down here, and then get that V shape, and always. How did I get into trading? It was my freshman year of college, so 2020 COVID year, and I got into, you know, that was just trading started to explode because, you know, everyone had time. And I was just basically in my dorm room all day until I had to go to swim practice, right? So I found Warrior Trading, the penny stock Warrior Trading guy. Bought into his stuff, started doing that. Got some good connections through Discord. And then did penny stocks for a year and a half. Then learned about futures, and then I've been doing futures since that. And then got into automated trading in November of 23 when I met Ben through Discord. So that's that. Now we're just moving more and more towards automation. So, and I honestly think with all how the world is moving, how softwares are getting better, how programming is getting better, coding, everything is moving towards being better. I honestly think automated bots are going to take over in the next, 5-10 years for like a lot of people, right? So that's what I think. It's like if you're on the early wave, it'll be good. That's correct, Curtis. It's not great on NinjaTrader. But the new portfolio I'm excited about. So 2018 with Binance. Gotcha. Nice. Early Bitcoins. It's crazy how much these stocks move, man. Like Tesla just from the open is up 2%. Looks like the one and done, which I did mention in here. I said potential one and done. Yeah, that would have been a better decision, but we're right on everything. We're only down one trade on everything, so if we get one win, we're pretty much break even or green. So really not down much. But yeah, look at this Look at this bounce. I was wrong about the gold, my golden zone. But this bounce from the 382 right here matched with the V-shape reversal. Probably chop around a little bit here. Maybe continue more towards these fair value gaps up here around 430. I think I mentioned 400s are not off the table because there's really nothing in the way, you know. It's crazy though, just since news this morning, market's up, yeah, market's up 2% as well. You know, I'm gonna start recording some videos on my phone, just doing like face to face kind of video. I recorded a video of me in the car the other day, well, just like driving, and I was talking. Might end up uploading that. It's about 20 minutes long, just chatting. Because I drove back from Alabama to Michigan the other day, so a lot of, 12 hours in the car, so I figured I'd record for 20 minutes. My eyes were still on the road. Yes, eyes are still on the road. In my Ferrari, not quite. Lamborghini, John. Lamborghini, yeah. No, I don't have a Lamborghini. I'll show you what my car is right now. Let me find something that looks similar. Oh, here it is. Okay. That's pretty similar. Yeah. Okay. This is my car right here. Except I have a 2016. Right there. 2016 version. So it's a little cooler. Let me see. Yeah, I don't have a Lamborghini though. That's a little out of my price range currently. Oh yeah, this is pretty much it. Right there. It's actually exactly it, yeah. That's all. SBS is down about one trade. The 32 range MNQ had one win, a full win right on the open, or 935. So the first trade of the day, which I considered shutting off, but I can't shut off because I'm live streaming. Hopefully some others did, but besides that, yeah, just down about one trade on everything. Where you learn this SBS? You can learn about the SBS model on my YouTube. I have a bunch of videos going over the model, or from Stoic TA on YouTube. That's the original guy. Otherwise, this is just automated of that, pretty much. Similar. Looks like Aussie Trader is down a little bit. This works on micro Bitcoins because you can do that with prop firms and stuff. Yeah, that's about it. It's really just focused on NQ and MNQ for the most part. You can also do YM or the micro YMs and micro Bitcoins. So here's our chop that I predicted, that I charted out, right? And we're gonna bounce off this fair value gap right here. I can probably put my stop right here because it'll bounce, right? And then I'll put my TP all the way up there, right? I'm just gonna predict the market. Then we'll scale. Excuse me. Scale to here. And then to here. Yeah, not a lot of trades this morning though. I mean, a normal amount. It just seems slow because we're watching the market really go, you know. There's the pump. All right, so we're up. Okay, there's the first target. We'll just move to break even now. So already a winner. That was a quick 30 points, huh? Yeah, quick 30 points there. Yep, there was the chop. Look at that. I mapped out the chop and then boom. We're gonna go right to 430s now. Looks like we might come down, tap the break even, which is fine. It's just a fun trade, of course. Been using this model for 4 to 5 months, 4 to 5 months. Not strategy analyzer. No. Market replay. Did you hear that, Curtis? No? My mic's still working. So market replay only, Curtis. Strategy analyzer is a no. But actually, everyone, that whole document, Baca and Argenito set up for me to show everybody. So. Yeah. Did we get? Yeah, still no trades. We'll stay on for another 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes till 10:30, the usual time, and then we'll call her a day. Again, I always mention to you guys that generally I don't like trading accounts I care about on CPI day, right? So, ever tried MetaTrader? Joy? I have not tried MetaTrader bots. Don't do Forex at all. But Ron, I think I got a good place for you to invest some of your money. I think this portfolio that I'm building is going to be a good spot for you to invest your money. Think of the new portfolio as a automated account manager, right? This is just a fun trade. This is not SBS model. Yeah, this is just a fun trade on the screen here. SBS Autotrader is working in the background, so. How many monitors do I use? I have 4 in front of me. I'm using 3. I've bought, that makes 3, about between 3 to 5 monthly. Oh, 3 to 5 bots monthly? Is that what you're saying? Awesome. I'm glad you're getting the same result. You should be, so. $3 to 5%. Oh, a bot that makes you between 3 to 5% monthly. Or someone that makes you, gotcha, Ron. Gotcha. Let me look it up. You're saying this bot makes you 3 to 5% every month. I just wouldn't trust it. I really wouldn't. Well, my portfolio is going to be similar results to what this would be. So maybe not like 13,000%, because come on, that's a little like just not true in my eyes, but yeah, like yearly gain could be, you know, 30%, 50%, 100%, right? You can if you want, Ron. It's NinjaTrader in the background. Very slow horizon with your stuff. What do you mean? You need a very slow horizon. Oh my god, it's blue skies and sun now outside. Jeez, first blue skies in a couple days. Still no trades past few minutes, or past like 20 minutes. Nice round, gotcha. I'm using NinjaTrader in the background. This is a platform called TradingView. This is just a charting platform. Take this away, because that's just a manual trade. This is what we use for the SBS Autotrader. That's NinjaTrader. Yeah, I don't really have an interest in doing Forex, to be quite honest with you. My new portfolio is going to be TradeStation, which I obviously really trust TradeStation, built by a guy that's built portfolios for hedge funds and big companies, which is awesome. Yeah. And it'll also get good gains. I mean, great gains, hopefully. Outperforming the market, right? Obviously, with trading, you can never say every week or every month is going to be perfect, but long term, this one's going to be nuts. Just like SBS. I mean, long term, it's proven to work, right? It's just, are you going to stick to it? Just like the video I showed last night, right? Like 70K in the year. It's just so you're gonna stick to it. Marching right up to the take profit. Pretty slow morning for the Autotrader. That's okay though. Yeah, cool. Oh, you just sent it? Gotcha. Gotcha. So, what is that? A deposit of, says deposit. A lot of tiny trades. Is that normal? Of like 10 bucks? 50 bucks? So you had $690 profit last month. How many accounts you got going, Ron? Five more. Gotcha. So you're making a few thousand a month. Unless you got bigger accounts, obviously, but yeah, different settings. You just pride yourself on verified results. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, I think with the new portfolio as well, I'm gonna set up one of those verified results, you know, through a website or whatever that people use to show the, you know, verified gains, whatever. Martingale system a little bit. Yeah, Martingale, we have, you know, the NQ Trader, which some of you have used, does Martingale, and it's good, but like it makes money long term still. It's just, do you have the money for it, right? Because if it takes a loss or a couple losses in a row, that's when it starts to burn. I gotcha, Curtis. That makes sense. Yeah, new portfolio is going to be something similar in the sense of gains, but you know, the new portfolio is not going to be using Martingale. I'm just so excited. I mean, I know I'm trying to hype it up, but it's it's gonna be very. You're gonna look at it and be like, wow, okay, that's pretty good. That looks awesome, looks legit, because it is legit, right? But obviously, like some other companies, you know what I'm talking about. It'll be cool. I also don't know if you guys had an idea of, I'm gonna do a private group for that. It's futures, Curtis, futures, yeah. But you know, all types of futures, all types. So I don't know if you guys have. I know, wrong. I'm going to just remove that message just so that other people don't see it. I can't do anything about that, Ron, sadly. Well, I'm working on doing things about that, but yeah. Sadly, I do know that. There are pirates out there for sure. And it does suck a little bit for sure. But it's whatever. I gotcha, Curtis, yeah. I gotcha. Yeah, the new one's gonna be like 20 to 30 instruments. You know, I couldn't even name all of them off the top of my head. But like, let me see. You know, like it'll trade all these, you know, NQES, gold, YM, crude oil, maybe Bitcoin futures, the Russell, right? Natural gas, probably, you know, a lot of these, right? Very diverse. Trade bond futures. Okay, so I'm gonna do one last pull for the day. Okay. Polls up. It's just, what platform do you like for groups? I know we have a Discord group. I'm planning on doing something separate through just a different group or whatever, but let me know what you guys like the most. I'm assuming it's probably leaning Discord because that's what we use. Discord is strongest if you have a limited number of users. Keep out the riffraff. Yeah. Using WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I have WhatsApp. I'm not sure if WhatsApp would be good for, you know, a private group. I'm not sure how that would go. Some of you like school, a lot of Discord, which I do assume. If you're in the live stream, I would appreciate if you voted on this. There's 30 of you. I only have 9 votes, so I would appreciate if you voted on that quick. Slack. Yeah, I haven't looked at Slack at all. Isn't that more for like a work team? That's kind of looks like Discord, actually. Kind of looks like Discord. Slack is only good if you pay for it. Yeah, I've never used Slack. Does everyone have to pay for it though? Like if I created a group, would everybody have to pay for it? if they wanted to, whatever. Not good, probably good. Yeah. Not good, I gotcha. I don't necessarily intend to use them on live stream just because they will be slower, but I will use them going forward, yes. I know, Scott. I know. I'm not even good at Discord, to be quite honest. I know. If you can make this bot in the MetaTrader market store, you can make a couple of hundreds and fix it. Interesting. It's just testing, AP. It's just testing. You just fiddle around, right? Like, if you're doing testing and you notice, like, my trail stop keeps getting hit barely, and then it bounces up and goes in my direction again, then you'd probably want to loosen up your trail stop. Or if you notice, you know, the price is moving in my direction a lot, but my trail's not triggering, and then I get stopped out, maybe you move your trail trigger to a smaller number, smaller percent, right? Yeah, so most people just Discord. I kind of assumed that, but I got you, Ron. I believe you. So it is 10:30. I'm gonna shut it down, I think. It's been pretty slow this morning with the auto traders, so slight red day, one trade, barely, unless you shut it down on the 32 range earlier. Yeah, literally one trade, so it's nothing. You could make that back with one winner because of the risk reward, right? So we'll come back tomorrow. Thanks for joining and chatting, and I'll see everyone tomorrow for another live stream. Tomorrow will be Thursday, and we'll have a good day. All right, I'll see everybody tomorrow.